Test one, little club or jet boat. Whee. This is a red one with a green top. I've got the green one, which I've got the red top on. Runtime, mega. I don't know how much it does. Flat out. There's a little caterpillar behind me.
Who's the colourful one?
Me.
Can you race them?
No. I've got another one to put on yet. You've got to watch all the yachts, so we can't race them really.
What?
We can't race because the yachts are on. We'd get in their way.
Brand new, eh? I think that's the main thing, but not best. I take it you just buy it ready made.
Yeah.
I want to pick up out the back. And it comes out.
Sorry?
I'm not back for
The side.
Did you see the massive red one?
No, with all these.
Take them on the test, had a few little runs with it. And this one's the green one, and I've put the red canopy on. Canopy, deck, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that one's going just as well. Just keeping out the way of the others while I video. There's some pilots out there, not... Oh, missed him. Little water cooled. There's a coil, water cooled coil around the water. Picks water up out the back. Pushes it forward through the coil and out the side on the left. I've just had the other one on. The battery went flat and the electronic speed control went into limp mode as the battery got flat. That left me stranded in the water because there didn't seem to be enough juice to get it home. So I need to test that when I've got a flat battery. When one goes into limp, I'll see if I can get it home next time. Because if the club rescue board isn't here or out, we have a problem. And I think I've got about 30 minutes out the last one, just fast and slow. You don't have to run flat out. You're just here to enjoy it. The water's rather calm today, so I don't know how these would fare in a choppy water. Because the water pickups underneath. I think I need to turn my steering down a touch.